storm changes everything in a second. But thanks to quick help, our couple is safe. First, we have to clear away the ruins. Workers carefully remove the debris to start with a clean slate. Unfortunately, the old house is beyond repair and completely unfit for living. The team has to tear down what's left, carefully clearing away all the ruined timber and debris. With a blank slate, they level the ground, measure the exact boundaries, and lay down a solid foundation. This is where the new, safe chapter begins. Next comes the most crucial part, pouring the solid concrete foundation. Like an anchor in a storm, this thick, reinforced base will hold up against any future weather, giving the house unshakable strength and absolute security. The ground is leveled and a fresh green lawn is laid out. A peaceful space where hope begins to grow. But true peace of mind needs protection. Deep underneath, the crew builds a hidden, rock-solid bunker. To ensure the couple never has to feel helpless against nature again, the crew begins building a deep underground bunker. It is a secure, rock-solid retreat designed to give them total peace of mind, knowing they can safely weather any storm together. Inside the bunker, every detail is crafted for complete independence. Advanced air filtration systems keep the air fresh and clean, while backup power and reliable electrical panels ensure light and warmth. Even if the outside world cuts off, they have everything they need to live safely and comfortably. Hi everyone. I'm so sorry I've been away for a while and that there haven't been any new uploads. But I'm back, and today I want to share a very special project with you. In this new video, we are building a heavy-duty underground bunker to protect our grandparents from severe storms and natural disasters. The goal is to give them a safe place to hide, wait out the danger, and stay alive until emergency rescue teams arrive. Let's take a look at the process. Here on the screen, you can see how we are planning and constructing the shelter step by step. Let's dive right in. Inside, everything is ready. A backup generator, cozy rooms, and reliable supplies. If nature acts up, they are totally safe here. We also completely took care of the comfort and hygiene of our elderly couple. The bunker features a modern and fully equipped bathroom with everything necessary for safety and convenience in any emergency situation. We paid special attention to the rest area. The sleeping area is designed in a cozy eco-style with natural stone and wood finishes, ensuring that our grandparents feel as comfortable, warm, and safe as possible during isolation. Back on the surface, a gorgeous new stone and timber home begins to rise under the warm sun. Next, we build a reliable wooden roof frame and cover it with eco-friendly roofing materials. After that, we construct a cozy outdoor veranda. First, we lay down a reliable layer of roofing felt to protect the structure from rain. And then we install modern, high-tech eco-sleet on top for ultimate durability. For ultimate safety, we install heavy-duty, double-glazed glass windows instead of standard plastic frames. Back on the surface, a gorgeous new stone and timber home begins to rise under the warm sun. look at this. As we move inside, we're installing a modern underfloor heating system. We wanted to make sure that on those cold winter days, our elderly couple will never freeze and will always stay warm and cozy. Right over it, we are laying down this gorgeous, high-tech, and eco-friendly tile. It's not just super practical and durable, but it also keeps the space clean and safe. We also carefully run all the electrical wiring through the walls, so no matter what time of day or night it is, they will always have bright, reliable light and power whenever they need it.
Measure twice, cut once. Hold it steady, checking for verticality. Ready the compound, smooth pass, inspecting for flaws.
And here, our workers are installing a real fireplace. We wanted our dear couple to be able to sit by the fire on cold evenings, wrapped in a blanket with a cup of tea or reading a good book, feeling completely cozy and peaceful. Handcrafted wooden furniture and a spacious kitchen fill the space with warmth and care. Step inside. Warm wooden beams, radiant floors, and a stone fireplace create an incredible feeling of home. In the bedroom, we installed gorgeous parquet made from a premium wood species. Even under this fine wood flooring, we've integrated the underfloor heating system so they can walk barefoot in absolute comfort and warmth.
All right, got it. Next piece.
And look at this ceiling. We finished it entirely in natural wood. It creates that warm, cozy, cabin-like feel, wrapping the whole room in a sense of safety and peace. And to make the most of every single inch, we designed a smart built-in wardrobe right into the wall. It completely blends with the room, so it doesn't take up any extra space or crowd the area, keeping the bedroom feeling open, neat, and spacious. The bedroom is a gentle retreat, featuring soft lighting, lovely wallpaper, and a custom wardrobe. Every pillow, every blanket is placed with love, turning the room into a cozy haven. Even the bathroom didn't miss out on a creative design touch. We went with a gorgeous combination of natural stone and wood, blending rustic warmth with a modern look to make the space feel truly special and relaxing. And check out the bathroom. We've equipped it with both a spacious walk-in shower and a full-size bathtub, so our grandparents can choose whatever suits their mood best. It's super versatile and practical, crafted entirely with earth-friendly, sustainable materials to keep everything as natural and safe as possible. The bathroom combines natural stone with a luxury bathtub and fresh flowers. Pure comfort. As the sun sets, they sit by the warm fire together. Safe, peaceful, and happy at last.